seen it from the very start. We were only meant to be just friends. But here I am again, the one that's left with a broken heart. There's no use in trying to pretend that I'm trying to hold back tears that are falling down my face, and I'm trying to fight the pain inside. I love you so much more than words can ever say, and I'll show you one more time before you close your eyes. After tonight, we can be whatever we wanna be, but we may never make true love like this again. And after tonight, let it be whoever it's gonna be, but there's a chance we'll never feel this way again. Do all the things to me the way you used to do. We haven't made love for so long. Maybe in time I'll fall in love with someone new, but the memory that we'll build tonight will still be very strong. But after tonight, we can be whatever we wanna be, but we may never make true love like this again.